front of me is DOOGEE V20, and let me show you how to change the language on this device. So first of all, you have to unlock your device and open Settings, then go to System and click on Languages and Input. Pick Languages then, and now just click on Add a Language to pick the one that you would like to apply. So let me choose, for example, this one. Now select the region and slide it up to the first place to make it a default one. And as you can see, from now on, you've got the system language that you picked. So this is it. This is how you can change system language in your device. You can also remove unnecessary languages, just like this. Confirm it, and then you have just one language listed here. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.